So today is Thursday, it's my day to cook. I'm gonna show you what I make. Pretty simple meal, really quick meal, which is what I need because it is 2:30 and we have load shedding at 4 till 6. So I'm gonna try and see if I can finish everything before load shedding starts. So let's go.
Cause I can love you better Oh yeah, this could all be over. We're not okay. Shattered glass everywhere. Tears of rage. Waiting for the rain to stop and take my pain away. Why'd you have to be that mean? Why'd you do me that way? We should know that we won't be any better.
Okay guys, so this is the finished meal. 2 pieces of chicken, some chips, and some green beans, and everyone's plate looks the same. I'm just gonna wrap them up and they'll be ready for when the electricity comes back.
Smoke spirals off your cigarette.
Hi everyone, so today's Friday. We just came back from the mall. I was just getting some books, like notebooks, and we're going to typo. This bag is super heavy, so I'm not going to pick it up. But first things first, my mom got this Care Bears calendar. It was on sale. But initially, I just got one book, like the notebook with the dividers, like the college, I think it's called like a varsity something. And then I saw this. So they're selling these bundles exactly like this. They have different things in them. Some of them have 2 like thin notebooks and a big like college diary thing. Some of them have 2 of these college or varsity books with the dividers, and then like 1 small notebook like this size. Like there's different stacks, and they sell this entire bundle for $100. Wild, I know. So my sister got this one is hers, and then I got a similar one. So this is what was in mine. You don't really get to pick what's inside of the stack, but you can see what's inside. So mine had a varsity book with the dividers, and then a regular notebook, and then a small notebook as well. Whereas my sister's bundle has the varsity book, a notebook, and the thicker notebook with the dividers. So yeah, I like that. And they're just stacked, like pre-stacked bundles for $100. And then mine also came with a yellow highlighter. And then I got some stamps because I'm like stamp obsessed, and because I started my journal. So I got this one, that, and then I got this one. So yeah. Then we went to CNA. My sister picked up this watercolor paint kit. This was $100, and apparently watercolor paints are a little bit on the pricey side. We don't know how good this quality is. She said the brushes are really good. I don't know. She did art in school, so that's hers. At CNA, I got this book. This was $100. Look how absolutely stunning this cover is. That's just a bonus because the back is quite interesting. I read the synopsis, and I really want to get back into fantasy books. The last fantasy book I read was A Court of Silver Flames, which is in the A Court of Thorn and Roses series with 4 books. So yeah, this one is pretty good. This is got some mythology in it, which I'm obsessed with, as you know. I've mentioned it, but this cover, absolutely beautiful, and this was $100. I picked that up. And then I started on my book journal, right? And I've come to the realization that I don't know how to draw a star. Even if I did, it's the one with the they're just never all symmetrical, and it irks me. Like, it irks me a lot to have the stars be so different and look so like they're struggling. So I picked up mini star stickers, and so this is a silver pack, gold pack. I'm gonna need like 5 more of these packets, I know for sure. This one has 190 stars in it. This one has 285. So I'm definitely gonna need more. And I'm definitely gonna play around with it. Like, these shooting star ones are gonna be for books that I absolutely adored. I already have like a couple in mind. And then the mini ones are just gonna be like regular star ratings. But yeah, that's what I picked up. overall, in terms of notebooks, CNA didn't have, that's where we originally went, but they didn't have what we were looking for. We saw the bundles at PNA and we decided to get them, but if I were to buy more, I would definitely go to Mr. Price Home. Because they had beautiful notebooks that were like really nice and thick, and they had like hard covers. So yeah. Oh, I told you I started my book journal only 3 months later, but we'll take the little wins, right, in this book that I got from Typo. Let's talk about it, right? So I stacked all the book covers like in the exact same spots on all the pages, and in hindsight I slightly regret it, but also not, because when you flip through the book, I don't know if I can show you flipping through the book. Okay, let's try that again. When you flip through the book, you see all the covers like right there for all the books that I've read. Whereas if they were like here and then here, you wouldn't really get that effect. So it's kind of like I'm living for this like flip through moment. But then this happens, and this is how the book closes. Like there's no closing it. That's how that looks, and I'm okay with it. So let me show you the stars, the struggling stars. Gosh, I really do hate it. But like, you see, do you see those struggle stars? Hate those. Also, I have another one. Hold on, let me show you. Whew. Those struggle stars are worse. Maybe I'll cover those up because wow. But anyway, it's all fun and games until you worry about the stars that you're drawing. I'm gonna fix those with these. And yeah, that's my little haul. I can't wait to get into this book. I really want to read more fantasy. Did I say that already? I want to read more fantasy this year.